AtTask does work management software. We were founded in 2001 and really got our start as a result of solving some problems in a prior company. I had co-founded an interactive agency back when the internet was the new cool thing, and as we grew, we needed to understand what our people were doing, how much they could do, what kind of work was good work in the company, what our objectives were. We wanted to have a high degree of accountability with our customers and wanted all that to be web-based because we were a web company and nothing existed. So I wrote AtTask as a nights and weekends project to solve that problem, and it's become what it is today, helping thousands of customers around the world understand and organize their work. AtTask has a unique take on the marketplace. We've actually got competitors that range from very large enterprises. I mean, we compete with Microsoft and Oracle and HP and Computer Associates. And we also compete with a whole host of web-based, small, kind of simple utility applications. What sets AtTask apart from the enterprise players is that we're able to question and able to react with a lot of agility as a company. We're not afraid to recognize that the workforce today is changing. There's a new dynamic at work. It obviously requires a different approach to management, a different approach to how we communicate and how we plug people in. And the enterprise players aren't ready or willing to ask those questions. AtTask has a great background in solving very difficult business problems, in delivering the kind of information that C-level executives in large companies expect to have. But we're also able to do that in a very Web 2.0 social way that gives better results. And so what sets AtTask apart is really its ability to be both thought leader and disruptor in a very well-established space. So AtTask actually has 1,300 plus customers around the world using our product in 11 different languages in 62 different countries. And we're getting a lot of feedback from our customers on how we're helping people be more productive in their daily work environment. And one of the things that is bringing that about, something that's unique to AtTask, is that we really see work as a contract. You know, if I ask you to do something, that doesn't mean you're necessarily going to do it. If I ask you to do something by Friday, maybe you'll do it, but maybe not necessarily by Friday. Maybe you can do it by Tuesday. And the traditional approach to project management is that I say, you have to do this by Friday at 3 o'clock. And I just assume that's when it's going to happen, and I make my plan and everybody's happy. Next week when we have a status meeting and I discover that isn't exactly what happened, then we replan and make adjustments and react to what happened or didn't happen last week. What AtTask is doing really well with its product is it's giving the workers a voice. So when I create my project plan or the work that needs to happen, and I make a request and it needs to be done by Friday at 3 o'clock, you can answer that and sound in on your own proposed date. Or you can even reassign it to maybe someone who's sitting right next to you who's done something like that very recently and can do it much faster than you can. That is going to help me see reality. It's going to help me really understand where your mind is, and it's going to help me make decisions ahead of time. And that ability to make decisions, you know, based on what's about to happen versus what happened in the past helps managers be more effective, helps businesses make decisions that are more timely and more relevant, really based on a true picture of what's going on in the company.